Okay, yo, it's going like me print back another YouTube video. That's my intro. That's just my intro.
Papa!
Mom, you got a butter knife?
Yeah.
I just said.
Yeah. Thank you, Nana. Leave the ice machine.
It's got food on it. It's got a white knife. It's got food on it. The butter knife. It's got that good towel right there.
Alright, yeah. Today we were going to be unboxing something I was obsessed with. AirPod Pro TKL. Alright. Yeah.
Papa!
Leave that refrigerator alone. No. Tired of talking to you.
He should be sleeping. You said he should go
Stop
back.
talking. Get in the chair and go to sleep. He said he done had the bathroom and everything. Still ain't went to sleep. Tell us, little boy.
We should have got some melatonin.
Huh?
We should give you some melatonin.
Your food is waiting on you.
No,
It's gonna be ice cold, buddy.
I'm having difficulty trying to open this.
Huh?
I'm having difficulty trying to open this.
Don't put me on the video.
No, they are. It's okay.
No! Don't put me on the video. Like ancient mama. Delete me out. I'm just helping you open.
That is my nana. Y'all did not see her just erase it from the yeah, that's keyboard that you can't touch. You definitely can't touch this. It's $180. You cannot touch this.
Yeah, your granddaddy.
And it is open.
Put that under there.
That's the cord for it. There's 4 glory right here. Let's see it. Chill. Ooh. Glory off. Let me see it. Chill. It says 4 glory. That's a SteelSeries cord. Alright. Okay, so I like this. I can't believe it. I'm gonna give y'all a sound test. Listen to it. Miss Ear, shut up. No touching keyboard. You like my keyboard? Oh, that's it. I'm about to go show this to my guy. Come on, let's see it. Yeah, turn it up. No, they can't see it. These are SteelSeries red. I would take the keys off, but I don't want to. Stop. Nasir, stop. Stop. Okay, go sit down and watch TV. These are SteelSeries reds. Those are the almonds. You can't really hear the difference. Here's the MIDI controls. Is it plugged up? Like, did I plug it in right? I'm gonna plug it up. Ooh, nah. Look. Hey, stop. No, bag.
Why don't you have me to get that one? I got you.
Yeah, they're different presets.
Thinking?
Oh, let me turn this off.
Come on now, so you get your protective channel.
That's fine, keyboard.
Did you boo-boo? Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
SteelSeries.
No, no. Yes, you did.
And the USB pass through, it lights up. I'm gonna eat it. The haze effect. The keys feel so light. What actuation is this on? Those are the media controls. I think this is on. This is on 5. All the way up to 10. Yeah, it definitely feels heavier. It feels like a normal mechanical. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's literally almost touch sensitive. Bro, look. Illumination presets. We got prism. We got orange. We got haze, like we've already stated. And then we have the normal, which is my new favorite, vapors, with the G502. This is the setup. Well, no, this isn't actually my setup. I'm at my godmom's house, so I'm using her iMac monitor. But this is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. Now, the time this video at the time this video will be released, probably more than likely, the video for the Logitech G502 Part 2 will be out. Why I say Part 2 is because I had this mouse already. But this has been the Apex Pro TKL from SteelSeries. Let's see if I can kind of get like a hint. Oh, it looks amazing on the hand cam. Hey, hold on. I'm trying to see if I can make it into a hand cam. Okay, I can't do a full hand cam, but this is the best. Yeah. But that is the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. Nasir, why did you do that? This is the Apex Pro TKL. Every pro player uses it. And upcoming pro, I will use it. But that is it for today's video. I have my setup will be in the description. I will be making my setup video once I get my gaming PC. So that's it for today's video. It's been your boy Prince, and I'm out. Peace.